Hello my friends and welcome to A Slice and a Piece of K. I'm coming to you from Sydney, BC. On this Meal Deal Monday, an amazing deal at DQ Grill and Chill. This $10 meal deal includes a drink, fries, and an original cheeseburger. It also comes with a blizzard, which they will make it later after I finish my meal. There's a bit of a glare, so I have to switch seats. Let's have a sip of the orange crush. Cheers, my friends. Santé! I love Orange Crush, but not from the fountain. It is so hot here in Sydney. Let's get eating on this $10 meal deal. With taxes, it came to $10.65. That's a bit better. Not as much glare, my friend. Wipe the hands first. Happy tastes good. Want some French fries? Bon appetit. I wish it was a bit hotter, but love me some French fries. Let's get eating on the original cheeseburger. So that's the original cheeseburger. Need some ketchup. Let's have a bite. Bon appetit. It's a little dry.
I'm sending Scarlett and Morgan to do the legs of tables and chairs and everything.
Now the last time I ate at the DQ Grill and Chill, I got those nuggets with that sauce. I did not enjoy that. I like the McDouble more. very dry. I do like the McDonald's fries a little more. I think they're closing. I better hurry up. Do you ever wonder why they flip the Blizzard upside down? Maybe I should ask them. Do you guys know why you guys turned the Blizzard upside down?
Oh, it's because it's just to show that our ice cream's like not melty.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thanks. I was just wondering.
Yeah, you pass all the time.
Not the only one.
No, you're not.
Now you know. I thought they were closing, but they're not. Well, I wolfed that down. I'm gonna go back to the counter. I'm gonna grab the mini drumstick Blizzard. I hope it's yummy. I love drumsticks. Normally I can't mix my foods. Greasy, cold drink, and then an ice cream. This is the mini drumstick Blizzard. Let me do the upside down test. Okay, it looks a little melty. I think they pre-made it for me. But let's get eating on this mini drumstick Blizzard. It's a little melty because they made it in advance. Bon appetit. I taste the peanuts. I guess it sort of tastes like a drumstick. I think it would have been better if it wasn't so melted. Not blown away by it. How disappointing is that? I cleaned up my mess. I had the $10 meal deal at DQ Grill and Chill. I'd rather have the McDonald's value deal for $5 because you get a McDouble or junior chicken with small fries and a drink. And they do have a summer Sunday special for $2.19, or you can get the cone, ice cream cone for $2. If you have the app, it's $1. So it would be a little bit cheaper than the $10 meal deal here, but I wasn't blown away by it. The the burger was a bit dry. That mini blizzard was pre-made, so it was really melty. Yeah, for those reasons, I'd rather go to McDonald's, my friend. But there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me here for a slice and a piece of cake on this Meal Deal Monday, coming to you from Sydney, BC. I hope you have an amazing week. As always, my friend, take care, stay safe, stay hydrated. Make sure you come back and join me here for another slice and a piece of cake.